Hello, my name is Barbara Laible. I am the president and CEO of RD Industries in Omaha, Nebraska. We have been an engineering-based company that manufactures in Omaha since 1982. We are the innovators of many different products and components that are used throughout the janitorial and sanitation industry and others alike. I would say with our sustainability journey, it's been very educational. We started in 2018 really trying to conceptualize how we could add a recyclable product to our line, considering most of them at that time had metal screws, metal springs in them. And it really took just sitting down and being very dedicated to getting to the solution. We were able to launch the world's first fully recyclable and sustainable line of container dispensing valves in 2019 to basically the globe. It is still a successful line. We've added many new components to it, and it really continues our focus into sustainability and recyclability. We also tried to pull that into our manufacturing plant. How could we become more sustainable as a company as a whole? Really digging into everything that we did, from how long the molding machines were turned on to maybe even just shutting off the lights at certain times made a huge difference. From that, this year, we developed an entire room that we make one specific product line in, and we're able to cut out 6-7 different steps. We reduced our waste by almost 60% in that space, and we really added a lot of enjoyment to our team so that they could really take more part in what we were trying to do and the goals we were trying to reach, being a sustainably focused company. I think if I was able to offer any tips or advice to companies getting started, it really would be take a look at the products you make, take a look at the services you do, and really go through them and say, what part of this can I add value here with sustainability? It made all the difference in the world for us. It allowed us to figure out different ways to manufacture so that we were saving either in waste or getting rid of metal out of our parts so they could be recyclable. It really made all the difference in the world for us as a company.